there! I received my, I ordered the Tombow VIP box for September 2019, so I'm going to be opening it. So let's see if we can get this done together. I was just covering up my address. So Tombow VIP Club, it is very inspirational products. I really, I get a day's advance, not warning, but I get to see a preview a day before it goes live as I signed up for email notifications. And I really liked what this box had to offer, so I did order it. And it cost me $25, which included shipping. And it, you know, I don't have any of these things, so I really wanted to take advantage of it. So the first thing we get is a post-it note, very Lisa Frank-ish, Lisa Frank-ish. So it has a rainbow leopard print. It says Tombow, and a like colored or white out heart. Super cute. Can always use that. And it says, if I love my box, rate it. So this one, let's see if there's a price. Tombow notes, retail value is $4.99. And this is, what is this? Okay, so this is the premium colored pencils with unique neon colored lead. Oh, I forgot that I was getting colored pencils in here too. It's not sharpened, so sorry, I won't be able to demo it because it'll take too long to sharpen it. But let me bring it out so we can at least look at the lead. Okay, so it comes in a nice plastic container. So I like the colors, and here's the lead, so you can see they're fairly very big, and I will try it out and see how I like it. It's made in Vietnam. So this retails for $11.95. So that's the second item. This is the monograph neon color mechanical pencil. It's a 0.5 millimeter lead, and I do like mechanical pencils, and this one is MSRP is $4.99. So here, let me open that up, and it usually has, yep, it has a nice, I like the erasers that it comes with, and it clicks from the clicker. It comes down, you bring it down, and then you bring it up. So let me see, let me bring in my Hobonichi, and Tombow, oh, I'm in frame, Tombow mechanical, oops, pencil. Okay, so that's nice, and like I said, that retails for $4.99. That's the third item. These are what I'm excited about. So this is the, how do you say this? Calligraphy brush pens. So this one has two brush types. It's a hard tip and a soft tip. And this is the black ones. And this set, MSRP is $6.98. So let me open this up. Of course, it's always so hard to open. Let me get my scissors. Big, massive scissors too. Sorry, such a struggle. It's so hot here in Hawaii, and I don't have the air conditioning on because it's so hard to hear me over the air conditioning. So trying to get this done as fast as I can, not only for you but also for me. Okay, and I will try that out when I open everything else. So there's nothing else in here. So this is the Tombow Fudenosuke Neon hard tip brush pens. So this is brilliant neon colors. There's 6 colors total, and this one retails for $16.99. And again, I don't know if it's still available at Tombow. Sometimes they do sell out really quickly, and sometimes it just stays. So I'll link it below, whether it's still available or not, just so you know. If you missed it, you could sign up to get an email notification for the next one. So let me do some. I've never used these before. It's water-based pigment ink, so it will take a little longer to dry. And I guess it doesn't have, okay, so this one is called Neon Pink. So it's a little, it's not as flexible as I thought. And I'm, you all know I am not an expert. So this one is called Neon Pink. Okay, and I'll just go really quickly so it's not painful for you to watch. This one is called Neon Blue. Okay, this one is called Neon Green. This one is a little harder to see. Again, it's not as flexible as I'm used to. This one is Neon Yellow, like a highlighter yellow. Yep, exactly like highlighter yellow. It's tough to see. Let me bring it forward a little bit. And this one is Neon Orange. Okay. This one is Neon Red. Okay, so let's try the black. Oh, here it is. So there's 2 tips, hard and soft. So this one is the, I can't tell. Okay, so we'll try it. So this one, I think this one is the soft. Oops, sorry, not neon. Okay, so let me try the next one. And this also doesn't say, just says calligraphy pen. Okay, so let's see. No, this is the soft. so that's the soft, and this is hard. Okay, so sorry that this took so long, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye.